Sis, I heard you loud and clear. Y'all showed me so much love on my last video that I just uploaded, talking about the proper way to put on your foundation and to make it last and all of that. So I said, okay, today gonna be the video. Today is gonna be the day I'm going to show you how I like to wear my head wraps, how to do the head wraps. And I'm gonna show you the 5 ways that I have learned over the years to wear a head wrap that looks most flattering on me. Right? I am so excited to share this with you. So it doesn't matter if you are just running to the store or if you're just trying to be chic and sassy, right? You want to wear it and incorporate it into your style, which is kind of what I do. Or you're trying to be bold and elegant. It doesn't matter how you wear it. You can certainly wrap up your crown and be the queen that you are. But before we dive in, let's honor where these beautiful head wraps come from. Head wraps have a deep cultural roots across the African diaspora, from royalty to resistance to radiant beauty. They've symbolized strength, identity, and faith. And today, girl, we wear them with pride, style, and purpose. So let's get into it, girl. You're about to feel yourself in every one of these styles.
Blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improve, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improve, but you ain't even flexing. 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 Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improve, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improve, but you ain't even flexing. 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 It's for somebody special. Yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been so. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah. Girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah. Cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait yeah. Yeah, to get me back to you. Yeah, nah. Yeah, to get me back to you. Cannot deny it's a cos. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness, man. No be boss. See Oluwa don't bless me. I true no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, nah, yeah, get me back to you. Oh, nah, yeah, to get me back to you. You see my hearty, I feel run, giddy when I pull up on you. Yeah, and me, I feel act when I see you blushing, girl, you put me on. Yeah, girl, I want, girl, I like you, so me want. Girl, I want, girl, I like you like me too. Yeah. People say if you're trying to enforce it, something ain't right. Ain't the same when the sun when you know you really like all the feels in the moment, and it kills when I know it. Where we they go, girl, where we they go? Oh no, I pick it, I do that. You see me, you can for me bigger. I do it, you do it. For this level, I'ma let you do it. Me no get problem, oh. Boom, my damn so. Me like the way you roll. You see my hearty, I feel run, giddy when I pull up on you. Yeah, and me I feel act when I see you blushing, girl, you put me on. Yeah, girl, I want, girl, I like you, so me want. Girl, I want, girl, I like you like me too. Cool, I've been there. I said I come and live there. When you pull it on, I'ma get pull it on. Baby girl, tell me where we dey. Where my thing dey? Till where my thing dey? Pull it on, I'ma get pull it on. Baby girl, tell me where we dey. Oh nah, true. I pick it, I do that. You see me, you can dey for me bigger. I do it, you do it. For this level, I'ma let you do it. Me no get problem, oh. My damn so me like the way you roll. You see my hearty, I feel run, giddy when I pull up on you. Yeah, and me I feel act when I see you blushing, girl, you put me on. Yeah, girl, I want, girl, I like you, so me want. Girl, I want, girl, I like you like me too. Girl, I want, girl, I like you, so me want. Girl, I want, girl, I like you like me too.
Okay, my beautiful queens, thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial. I really enjoy doing this for you. And let me know, of course, in the comments, which look did you like the best? And if you try it, please consider tagging me. If you're not following me on Instagram, girl, what are you doing? My handle is Beauty is What I Do. And on the digital side, it's Darlene Digital Empire. Either one, tag me, show me what you decided that you were going to try, and show me some other styles that you like to wear. I would love to see it. And I thank you so much. Remember that you are beautiful no matter how your hair is. And sis, I want to remind you to embrace your beauty, embrace your history, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.